Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer leads from HubSpot to Glide app, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring leads from HubSpot to your Glide app, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the contacts section on the HubSpot dashboard. Select the contacts you want to export by checking the boxes next to their names. Once you've selected all the desired contacts, look for the Actions button at the top of the list. Click on Actions, then choose Export. In the export settings, select your preferred file format, such as CSV. Click on the Export button to begin downloading the file. Next, log into your Glide account. Create a new project or open an existing one. In the Glide dashboard, locate the Data tab. Click on Data to access your project's data sources. Now, select the option to upload a new data source. Choose the CSV file you downloaded from HubSpot. After the file uploads, Glide will automatically organize the data from the CSV. Review the imported data to ensure everything appears correctly. You can now customize how this data is displayed in your app. Drag and drop fields into your Glide app layout as per your design preferences. To connect the data with your app's features, set up any necessary actions, buttons, or links. Finally, preview your Glide app to see how the imported HubSpot leads appear in real time. Once satisfied, share your app or make any final adjustments needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.